for our science experiment are hard-boiled eggs,
a lighter and a paper towel,
a glass bottle that is smaller than the egg.
Don't forget to protect your eyes and wear goggles. First, I'm going to light this paper towel on fire.
Then I will put it into the glass bottle.
Companies like AT&T, Sodexo, and Adobe, so you will have more than just a foot in the door. Learn more at phoenix.edu.
Now I will put the egg on top.
We're broadcasting live talking about
Now, Kaleigh will blow into the glass bottle and get the egg out. First try.
Putting the burning paper into the flask increased the pressure because of the temperature's increase.
When the egg was placed into the flask mouth, the fire went out inside the flask and thus the temperature suddenly dropped, thereby creating lower pressure inside the flask compared to the pressure outside the flask.
The higher pressure outside the flasks then pushed the egg into it. Blowing into the flask got the egg out of the flask, but because we forced more air molecules inside, which increased the pressure inside the flask relative to the pressure outside the flask.
Gas.
Charles' law describes the direct relationship of temperature and volume of a gas. Assuming that pressure does not change, a doubling in absolute temperature of a gas causes a doubling of the volume of that gas. A drop of absolute temperature sees a proportional drop in volume.
The volume of the gas increases by 1 over 273 of its volume at 0 degrees Celsius for every degree Celsius that the temperature rises. Mathematically, temperature equals constant times volume, or volume equals constant times temperature, or volume divided by temperature equals constant.
Here's an illustration of Boyle's law. For a given mass at constant temperature, the pressure times volume is a constant.
Sorry.
Now Kaleigh goes.
And some type of glasses so you don't get your eyes hurt.
It went out. The fire went out.
You have to make sure the fire doesn't go out before.
Bottle and causes some of the air to move out of the bottle. First, I will light the napkin.
I'm sorry. I see it coming out. The stuff we will need for our science experiment is our... Never mind. Sorry. Ready?